Okay, so applying the abdominal, the lower part of the chest, armor of the Iron Man suit system. So here's the plastic type prototype that I'm working on, and this is for the abdominal, releasing the abdominal to drop. This is where it can have a biaxial ROM and to move downward for the abdominals to shake downward. Here is the rotor to allow it to vacuum into pressure, pull the pressure outwardly, while the suction rapidly moving in this direction grips or lands on my body. So the idea, plan is to create such a metric system, and for it to allow the lower part to drop down. The upper part that does not look or appear as the section N, you could crouch to. I could crouch to. So the other part that does not appear as the section of the design of the structure is actually the overlay. That's going to be another following this system. So once this lands, another system comes to land on top of it, and that's also including the shoulders, parts and segments along with it. So.